ROC Manager is a software tool for creating and analyzing drill plans. It will also provide rig operational data for further analysis. Start by adding a site. Place the cursor on Sites and right-click. Click on Add Site and choose a name. For this instruction, we will choose EpiRoc. Next, right-click on your site and choose Add Work Order. Each work order corresponds to a bench at your site. Choose a name for your bench and press Enter. Your bench is now created and visible in the structure. It's now time to create a drill plan. Right-click on the bench you just created. Choose Generate Drill Plan. You now have two options for what coordinate system to use, drill plan or local. If you want to use the drill plan as a template, choose Drill Plan. If you want to use the drill plan as is, choose Local. To set this option as default, check the box Always use this system. This can later be changed by going backwards using the previous button. Next, assign a name to your drill plan. Set the parameters for burden from the face to the first row and the burden for the following rows. Set the spacing between each hole. Now set the vertical angle of the hole. This symbol is visible when hovering the cursor on the question mark. The same goes for the horizontal angle. Now it's time to set the number of rows and the number of holes in each row. Next, state the diameter of the holes to be drilled. Click the drop-down menu to set the shape of your drill pattern. To preview your pattern, click the button in the lower part of the window. Now click Next. This is the coordinate window. You can choose to let the software calculate the bearing using the entered coordinates, or you can manually enter the bearing. The software will calculate a bearing that results in a blast direction that is 90 degrees from the face. Here, you also set the target height, which enables the software to calculate the correct depth of each hole. When you have entered the correct parameters, click Finish. ROC Manager will now prepare the drill plan with angles and end coordinates for each hole. In this window, you can view hole numbers and planned rock volume by checking the boxes to the left. You can zoom in and out and rotate the drill pattern for a more detailed view. To view the details for a specific hole, simply select that hole in the drill plan. It is possible to adjust these values individually, row by row, or for the complete drill plan to some extent. It is possible to move individual holes or rows. Simply select them and click the Move icon in the top right menu of the window. If your drill pattern doesn't have straight rows, you can use the lasso tool to select the holes. After moving a hole or a row, remember to save your drill pattern by clicking the Save icon. You could add and/or delete holes in the drill pattern by using the icons in the top right menu of the window. Remember to save your changes. Now your drill plan is finalized and ready to be exported. Do this by right-clicking on your drill plan in the structure to the left. Click on Export Drill Plan and choose a destination to store it. Transfer the drill plan to your drill rig using a USB stick. For some rigs, it is also possible to transfer it from Certig. To learn more about ROC Manager and its features, please contact your local EpiRoc representative or visit the EpiRoc web.